Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing and haul my second box from the Sephora holiday sales event. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, please keep on watching. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do makeup and skincare reviews and try on and everything about beauty. I will down for it. So let's go started. So here is the box from Sephora that I purchased recently to their holiday sales event for 2021. So here it is. I believe this is gonna be the second unboxing and haul, and then the third one I'm going to do it maybe around, I will post that one on December because I will try my best to do that. But those are for my gifts and presents to my family, so I will try my best to upload that one soon, maybe next month, because I don't know if they are watching my videos, so I don't want them to see what I've got for them. So now these are mine. So first I've got this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Duo. I believe these are like $29, and I think each of them have 1.1 fluid ounces here. So the box, it is really like holiday theme, I guess. So here they are. I bought this one compared to the full size because I don't really use a lot of setting spray. And I believe this is the first kind of luxury high-end setting spray that I bought, because trust me, I only like affordable products, and this time I wanted to be a bougie. So yeah, each of them have 1.1 fluid ounces, and I guess I can use one each year. So we'll see how I'm going to finish both of this. And then the next one is this one. This is the Natasha Denona holiday exclusive mini metropolis eyeshadow palette plus the eyeshadow eyeshadow brush kit or gift. And this is how it looks like, and based on what I can see now, it is much more beautiful compared to see on a video. I wanted to do another video dedicated to this eyeshadow palette with the brush in it. The next one I've got is this is the Atoca mini ornament set. I believe these are $20. I have the Cleopatra and Florence. I only bought this one because I'm not really a perfume person. I only use occasionally whenever I go or there's an event in my life. So I bought this one because I used to have them in the tiny bottles, and then I bought like this, I don't know the size of it, but it is the Simon one. I will grab them so that you guys can see and compare it, how the size are. So these are the mini ones that I bought before, and I still have them because they never changed the smell. I don't know if these ones are still available. I don't think so. So I've got the Stella, Simon, Cleopatra, and Florence here. You can compare the Florence here and the newest one. Still good. Yeah, they never change the smell, because some perfume smells like alcohol already. I believe I bought this one's like in the 2016 and 2017. So, and I like the scent of them because they're not too strong. They're like kind of feminine scent. So here they are. I like the box too. The first thing I opened the box, the smell is like the Cleopatra is the strongest one, which is like kind of more of a, I believe, the Cleopatra is like a Mediterranean seductress. It is more like a kind of musky scent. The Cleopatra here, as you guys can see, I don't really use much of them. The smell in here is much more less scent. And this one, I believe these ones are like 5 ml or 5 ml or 0.17 fluid ounces. So this one doesn't have any stopper, so you can just like put your hand and then so even though it smells like a musky one, it does have like kind of citrusy in here, which I like. Here, like a soft one, because for sure these ones are more stronger than the old one I have. So this is like kind of my first purchase for perfume again. I used to like a lot of perfume because I always go to school or work. Now I only stay home mom and wife. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going to show you guys the Simon one that I bought. This is how it looks like before, and I don't know how much I bought this one. I believe it's around in the 42 kind of dollars, and it is 20 ml. I bought it because of the packaging. So if you guys opening it, and it will say the name, what is it for. It is, you guys can see how much I use this a lot for work purposes, and it is a spray one, so it smells good still. Yeah, this is my used to be my favorite shade scent. Have these. I believe this is like kind of the most expensive one that I bought on this Sephora, even though it's much more cheaper compared to the other products she have. This is the Natasha Denona glaze. This is the Natasha Denona Glam face palette. This is eye and cheek essential, and this is the light version. When I bought this one, they don't have both of them, and once the light came in, they restock it. I bought it because why not? And then I should have just waited and buy the dark version, but it's okay. So this is how it looks like. I like the packaging, although I don't like how it is because you guys can see the fingerprints already. I just touched it a little bit, and this is how it happened. So inside, I already swatched and did a flat lay for this one on my Instagram. So this is how it looks like. It does have a blush, a highlighter, and eyeshadows in here. I believe they have 3 mattes and 2 like kind of, I don't know how do you say this, they are like kind of texture wise shimmers or metallics. because this one, it is really bam. So that's the only thing I can say for now, because I'm going to do another video dedicated to this palette. I've got here, this is the Rare Beauty. This is the newest Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal. This is in the shade of black. I think this is the only shade they have. If I'm not mistaken. This is how it looks like. And I bought this one because I wanted to try it, because I don't want to buy the kind of like a holiday set, which is like, I believe it's $38. Last two products I have here are from Huda Beauty. This is their Power Bullet Matte Lipsticks, and I have in the shade of Promotion Day and Wedding Day. I have the Promotion Day, which is red, and I do have the Wedding Day. So the Wedding Day, here it is. It's a kind of really nice shade for a wedding day. So here it is. I didn't swatch them hard because so I believe these are like $25 each. And the last ones I have here are the what do you call this, samples. I got the sample from Eat Cosmetics, and the next one is like Innisfree pore clearing clay mask ×2. So that's it for you guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give this thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider, so that you guys can help my channel. That's it for you guys. I hope you have a great day, and see you on my next video. Bye.